There's no shortcut to strengthening your immune system since it's built over time. Diet, sleep, and exercise are critical factors that play into the health of your immune system, and they're the best place to start. To truly strengthen your immune system, examine your stress levels and find ways to reduce and better cope with stress. Exercise is so effective as an immune function enhancer that it can improve vaccine responses in patients. 1. Whereas overtraining can suppress the immune system, exercising at a moderate intensity on a consistent basis boosts your immunity at all ages. It works by lowering inflammation, assisting with lymphatic drainage, lowering stress hormones, improving sleep, and stimulating the thymus gland. Vitamins and minerals serve vital functions in your immune system. Whereas sugar, alcohol, and tobacco are immunosuppressants, fruits and vegetables help support and protect your immune system by providing the nutrition it needs. Water is needed for every function in the immune system, and drinking only when you're thirsty typically isn't enough to keep you hydrated. 2. Electrolytes are also important for maintaining fluid balance. Boost your daily hydration level by drinking more water and also incorporating sports drinks or fresh fruit juice. Microorganisms take up as much as 3% of your body weight. 3. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria which occur naturally in fermented foods like kimchi and sauerkraut. They can also be obtained through supplements. Supplementing with probiotics has been shown to shorten colds and flus by strengthening your immune system. Taking certain supplements can boost your immune system, especially if you have any deficiencies. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that supports the production of immune cells found to help shorten colds. Vitamin D plays a role in the production of new immune cells, while zinc supports their function. Supplementing with these also helps your body fight off common viral infections. Reishi mushrooms are taken in powder or pill form to help lower anxiety and stress. However, reishi mushrooms also benefit your immune system by promoting homeostasis in its activity level. In this way, it helps downregulate your body's inflammatory response, while stimulating immune function as needed. Meditation is a well-known technique for managing stress, but did you know it also boosts your immune system? Meditation is shown to increase the activity of genes related to immune function. This increased activity results in more cellular communication and effective responses within the immune system. 8. Meditating can be as simple as sitting still for 10 minutes a day, or you can look into the wide range of meditation styles being taught today. The importance of quality, sufficient sleep for immune function is well documented. Sleep deprivation over time reduces the immune system's response to threats. Just like sleep is required for storing short-term memories as long-term ones, it's also important for the body's immunological memory processes. Without enough sleep, your nervous system can't transport and deliver all the messages your immune responses depend on. The average adult needs 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Exercise, stress management techniques, and going to bed at the same time every night go a long way in improving your sleep quality. If you're still struggling to get enough hours, try using melatonin as a natural remedy for insomnia. Final tips for better immune health. The immune system has numerous moving parts, all of which rely on meeting your nutritional needs. There are many herbs and supplements out there touted for improving your immune system. However, eating a nutritious diet, exercising, and getting enough sleep are typically the best ways to support your immune system.